Meaning of gold standard.
Gold standard.
Gold standard.
Gold standard.
Gold standard. The term gold standard has multiple meanings depending on the context, but generally refers to a benchmark or criterion that represents the highest possible level of quality or accuracy. In economics, it refers to a monetary system where a country's currency is based on a fixed amount of gold. In medical research, it denotes a study design that uses the most reliable and objective methods to establish the effectiveness of a treatment. Overall, gold standard implies a level of excellence that sets the standard for others to follow or measure themselves against.